What if I told you this entire music video was created using one music and text-to-video AI tool that can generate up to 1 minute video at a time and that you can use for free? Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore the future of music videos. Hey everyone, Andy AI Swede here. Welcome back to my AI love song saga. If you've been following along, you know I've already used Suno to produce a personalized love song and BandLab to master it. Now, it's time for the grand finale, creating a music video that's just as unique and heartfelt as the song itself. Buckle up, because we are about to embark on a journey that's part music video production, part AI experiment, and all heart. Let's make some magic. But first, I'll give you a moment to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now for the fun part. I'll head over to Noisy AI, where we will create a custom music video to accompany our song. You can create an account with Discord. So first I have to paste a link. Here you can use Suno, YouTube, Udio, SoundCloud, and Stable Audio. So I'll head over to Suno to find my love song, and paste the link here. With Noisy AI, you can make 1 minute video at a time. So I will take the first minute, and then I will put the lyrics of the first minute into my chatbot. I use Gemini. And I will write, can you give me some short text prompts for making video clips for this part? No, they need to be shorter because you can't put that much text in there. Can you make this as a shot list? Still too long. Please make the shot list short without camera instructions, just the prompts. Perfect, there we have it. 9 prompts, and I'll paste it in here. You can choose 16:9, 4:3, 1:1, and 9:16. For style, you can paste an image for style reference. Let's see. Alright, so now I will choose the first 60 seconds and then push generate. Okay, so a couple of days ago, Noisy started to have paid subscriptions. You can use it for free, which means that you will get 100 seconds of video generated daily. You cannot use the style reference feature. However, if you become a paying customer for $20 a month, you will get something called fast seconds, 1,000 fast seconds, prioritized generations resets monthly, and you will also get 200 relax seconds once the fast one runs out, and they reset daily. So, can I monetize my video? Yes, but only if you're a paying subscriber to our creator plan, and you're the owner of the music, and as always subject to our compliance with Noisy's terms of service. If you're a free user, then you can only use your videos for non-commercial uses, so monetization is not allowed. So basically, if you use the free version of Noisy, you can still make a music video for your beloved, and you can still, I guess, put it on a YouTube account, but not if you have monetization, if you make money on your videos. So, but if it's non-commercial, you can use what you make for free, and you can make 100 seconds a day. So now the first clip here is ready. Let's see what we have. We will get the first 60 seconds. Those lights, I see universe unfold, galaxies of love, stories yet untold, a captivating smile, a beacon in the night. So there were some shots here that looked kind of funny, which I will regenerate. So it's important to remember that regeneration also costs seconds. So I'll regenerate that one. That's much better. I like that one. And now I will download the video. So now I'll head over back to Suno, and for the second minute I will get the second part of lyrics, and I will put the lyrics back into Gemini to get another shot list. Well, now I have to go to the starting page, create the video. All right, and I also have to paste the link again since we restart. And whilst decoding, I will take a screenshot of the first video of her face here. I want to try to have some kind of consistent character. So now I head over to the second minute of the song. Perfect. And then I will upload my style image and press generate. So I now have 3 minutes of video, which I will extend to fit the whole song. So I'll head over to Video Pro Converter AI to upscale my videos, and you can use this for free. Download it, you install it, and then you use super resolution. You open it, and then you add your first clip, one clip at a time. And you can upscale it up to 4 times. I think I'd go with 2 times, which is full HD. Otherwise, it would look kind of messy. And for quality level, I choose highest. And then I will put it in the folder of my liking. And then hit run. And I have to wait for a few seconds and continue. And I demark the open output folder when the conversion is completed. So this takes a while, depending on your computer. I will do this for all of our clips, and they will be in full HD. Now, to put this video together, I use Premiere Pro, a video editor software, but it's not free. However, there are free options that you can use. If you're on a PC, you have Clipchamp. If you're on a Mac, you have iMovie, and then you have CapCut that runs on both. Now, if you're new to video editing and want to learn how to use Premiere Pro to edit your final music video, I highly recommend watching this tutorial by Leela.
I'm going to take you step by step through everything you need to know to not just edit a video, but a great video in Premiere Pro. As always, let's put a timer on the screen and let's get started.
So I will put the video together in Premiere Pro with the song and sync it with my video clips, and then I will reuse the first part to be the ending of the song. And here is our final video.
Those lights, I see universe unfold, galaxies of love, stories yet untold. Captivating smile, a beacon in the night, guiding me through darkness, filling me with light. On you, my love, my adventurous queen, with the kind heart and the spirit so keen. You're my rock, my anchor, my guide. our love looks better. I am my love, my adventurous queen, with a kind heart and a spirit so keen. You're my rock, my anchor, my guiding star. Together we'll conquer, no matter how far. Through trials and tribulations, your strength shines through. Resilient and unwavering, my love for you. Lift me up, inspire me, be my best. With you by my side, I'm truly blessed. I am my love, my adventurous queen, with a kind heart and a spirit so keen. You're my rock, my anchor, my guiding star. Together we'll conquer, no matter how far.
I'll put links to Noisy, VideoPro Converter AI, Clipchamp, iMovie, CapCut and Leela from YouTube in my description below. And there you have it, a personal music video full of love to the love of your life. Share links to the content you make in the comments. If you want to learn how to make an album cover image for your song and change the cover image on Suno, make sure to watch this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video if you found it helpful.